Welcome to Epstein, Becker, Green's Employment Law This Week podcast. I'm George Whipple. H-1B visas get a price hike. Employer petitions for H-1B status for specialty occupations will be subject to a $100,000 filing fee effective September 21, 2025. The proclamation announcing the change mentions exceptions based on national interest, but there is little clarity as to how this will apply and to whom. Guidance from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, states that the proclamation will not affect workers who already hold an H-1B visa or submitted a petition before the new rule took effect. The new fee applies only to first-time petitions submitted on or after September 21, 2025. This proclamation has already been challenged in court. We'll keep a close eye on those developments. The case is closed for most disparate impact claims pending with the EEOC. Following an April executive order directing federal agencies to halt all action on charges based on disparate impact theory, the EEOC has closed almost all pending cases. While the EEOC and other federal agencies will no longer pursue these claims, policies that disproportionately affect one group of people remain against the law. Charging parties may still bring disparate impact claims in court once they receive right-to-sue letters from the agency. The EEOC has also informed Congress that it will dissolve the Office of Enterprise Data and Analytics. That office supports the EEOC and field office, including with disparate impact cases. It is also currently responsible for administering EEO-1 reports. The data collection process does not appear to be affected by this change, but we'll keep watching for new developments. Appointees in key labor roles confirmed. While the government shutdown has taken the spotlight in Washington, D.C., employers should note that the Senate is moving forward with agency confirmations. Last month, Daniel Aronowitz was confirmed as head of the DOL Benefits Agency, along with 47 other nominees. In an effort to expedite the confirmation process, the Republican majority in the Senate has instituted a rule change to allow for confirmations en bloc. The Senate advanced the next batch of nominees last Friday. We'll see 11 top labor positions filled and the quorum restored at both the EEOC and the Merit Systems Protection Board. While the federal government shutdown interrupted planned hearings for the DOL's Assistant Secretary of Labor for Policy and 2 NLRB members, which would restore the NLRB's quorum, these hearings are expected soon as well. That's it for this week. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.
This podcast is presented by Epstein, Becker, and Green, PC. All rights are reserved. This audio recording includes information about legal issues and legal developments. Such materials are for informational purposes only and may not reflect the most current legal developments. These informational materials are not intended and should not be taken as legal advice on any particular set of facts or circumstances, and these materials are not a substitute for the advice of competent counsel. The content reflects the personal views and opinions of the participants. No attorney-client relationship has been created by this audio recording. This audio recording may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions under the applicable law and ethical rules. The determination of the need for legal services and the choice of a lawyer are extremely important decisions and should not be based solely upon advertisements or self-proclaimed expertise. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers.